Hey, welcome back. I hope you're doing well. Today we're making this heart ring. I'm using 2mm seed beads and 30cm of 0.3mm nylon cord. Let's start with 3 beads and then pull both ends of your cord through the fourth. Before you continue, make sure your beads are in the center, so both sides of your cord have the same length. Now add 1 bead on each side and cross both ends of your cord through the third. Repeat this step one more time. Add 1 bead on the left side and pull both cords through a second bead. And again. The next step is to pull this side of the cord through this previous bead. Add 1 bead to the other side and pull both ends through the second one. Now it should look like this. Let's repeat this one more time. Pull the left cord again through the bead next to it. Add 1 bead to the same cord and then pull both ends through another one, like before. Add 2 beads to the cord on the bottom and pass both ends of your cord through a third bead. Pass the left cord through the bead next to it. Add 1 bead on the same side and pull both cords through a second one. Add 1 bead to the cord on the top and again pass both cords through another one. Take the right cord and pull it through this bead. And pass both cords through one single bead. Then I'll make 2 knots and seal them with clear nail polish. Try to pull your knots a little bit to the center, so it's easier to hide them later on. After we made a second one, we can lay them on top of each other, preferably that the knots are on the inside. I like to use a clip to hold both sides together. To connect both hearts, take another piece of nylon cord, 20 to 25 cm should be enough. Now pass your cord through the first bead, add one more, and then back through the bead on the opposite side. From here, pass both ends of your cord through a new bead. And then again, pull the cord through the beads on the side. Just continue these 2 steps for the rest of the heart. At the end, I pull the cord through the very first bead again. And make 2 knots. And that's your finished heart. To make a ring, you can easily take a new piece of cord and either pass it through one of the beads on the side or right through the heart. That's what I'm gonna do. That's the finished ring. I hope this video was helpful to you. See you next time.